Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp, even when you're actively using the app. This guide works for both iPhone and Android users. I'll include tips for both as we go. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. If you're using iPhone, tap Setting. That's the gear icon in the bottom right corner. If you're using Samsung or Android phone, you might need to tap the three dots in the top right corner of the main screen. Then select Setting from the menu. Once you're in Setting, tap Privacy. This is where you'll find all the options to control who can see your personal information, status, and activity. Next, tap on Last Seen and Online. You'll see two main settings here. First, who can see my last seen, and second, who can see when I'm online. For who can see my last seen, select Nobody. This means no one will be able to see you the last time you were active on WhatsApp. Then for who can see me when I'm online, select Same as Last Seen. This will hide your online status from everyone as well, just like the last seen. And that's it. You'll now appear completely offline to your contacts. Just keep in mind, when you turn off your last seen, you also won't be able to see other people's last seen times either. It's a privacy trade-off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.